Tower Ops 1, I just want to verify you're all set out there.
Ops 1, affirmative, all set. Thank you, sir.
Roger, give me a call.
Roger.
Super smooth takeoff today. Connecticut River still frozen. Morning, Hartford. The calm before the storm. Oh, I love it.
Air 4651, traffic Cessna, 10 o'clock, 3.5 miles westbound towards the field, 2000 indicated.
Thank you, 501 looking for traffic.
Skyhawk 12766, traffic, another Skyhawk, 2 o'clock, moving to 1 o'clock, 2.5 miles southeastbound, 2500.
Looking for traffic, 766. 766 is descending. Traffic in sight, 766, manufacturer.
Roger. And 511, traffic flow beneath you and has you.
Yeah, we have him, thank you.
And 511, I've got no other traffic for you. Frequency change approved. Talk to you later.
In a few, thank you, 501.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Miles out. But runway's in sight. I see runway 29er. Report 2 mile right base. Car piece on. One, two, three. Three and a half miles out. Tower 766 reporting 2 mile right base runway 2.
And 12766, wind calm, runway 2, clear to land.
Runway 2, clear to land, Skyhawk 766. out now, technically. I got 20 degrees of flaps in. We're at 800 feet. Car beats on. 1500 RPM. Little nose up trim. Alright, full flaps.
Dark 127666, turn left at Charlie, then stay with me, taxi in.
Left at Charlie, staying with you. I'd like to taxi back to runway 2, please.
Oh, disregard taxiing to Charlie. Unit 1276, left at Charlie, runway 2, taxi Alpha, cross runway 29.
Left at Charlie, taxi on Alpha, cross runway 29 to runway 2, Skyhawk 766.